Breast cancer survival rates have increased greatly in the last few decades, not only due to the hard work of cancer researchers, but also thanks to cancer patients who are willing to subject their bodies to treatments that have yet to be proven effective.
Yeah, and Yunji, some of that work is going on right here in Hawaii. I met with a patient and researcher teaming up to stop cancer in its tracks.
It's like, oh, so I do have cancer. I mean, it was kind of, it was scary. I mean, it's now like, oh, what do I do?
Gwen Ho describes the moment she found out she had breast cancer. What she did do? Seek traditional treatment which eradicated the cancer from her body. But cancer often doesn't stay away. To keep it from coming back, she signed up for a new clinical trial. The trial involves pairing up a drug called Herceptin, known to reduce cancer reoccurrence by up to 1/2, with a promising new vaccine.
Can we also make further inroads by adding basically a vaccine in addition that will fight the cancer cells that have that HER2 on the surface? So we've sort of added to the effect of the Herceptin with this vaccine.
Cancer researcher and former head of the UH Cancer Center, Dr. Brian Issel, is running the clinical trial, one of 10 going on at the center. He says trials are vital in testing new treatments. He's seen amazing advancements made thanks to these crucial scientific tests. The hope with treatments like this is for one day
Cancer never comes back, or a patient who has got a lot of cancer and you know has got not much chance of living a couple of years, 90% chance of being cured. I've seen these things happen in my career.
The trials require patients willing to endure a treatment not yet approved by the FDA.
There's always a chance that it may not help, it may not do anything, or it may even hurt. But you know, it's been developed so that risk is very low.
Gwen, like the thousands of people that participate in clinical trials like this one, say they do it not only to treat their own cancer, but also to help those who might get diagnosed with cancer in the future.
It's like taking care of myself and then taking care of others.
Without these brave patients, new treatments may never happen.
That's the really critically important thing to recognize, that the real heroes in all this are the patients who say, yes, I want to go on a study, not only to help myself, but to help others that come after me.
Now, Gwen Ho finished her treatment in the spring 2014. Her cancer remains in remission. The trial is ongoing. Researchers say while it may take another 5 years to have results, the treatment could eventually lead to many lives saved.
So good to hear that she's doing well. And if you'd like to learn more about the latest treatments, research, and prevention available at the UH Cancer Center, they're holding Quest for a Cure. That's from 1 to 4 on Saturday. That event is free, but you're asked to RSVP by calling 356-5770.